So I've seen this play out in other countries. And my fear for the United States is that we wind up with a system in which there's no longer acceptance and trust that the operating system is fair and neutral and being applied so that the people decide.
It really could determine the balance of power between the national and the state governments in an extremely critical part or portion of our democracy. And that is a balance that's been maintained, as we've talked about many times, for 240 years.
It's a core principle of our Republican form of government that the voters choose their representatives, not the other way around. That, by the way, is the core principle, literally the core principle of the organization I'm involved with, Keep Our Republic. That's the sentence that informs every part of our work.
I think part of the problem with what occurred before December or January the 6th, the allegations that there were fraudulent ballots, boxes of fraudulent ballots, nothing ever came of that. That's what prosecutors, those of us who have done prosecution, we can't go to court and just say, well, we think they did something wrong. We have to have proof of it.
Civic unrest could lead to economic meltdown. The two of them could lead to changes in who we are as a country. If Pennsylvania can get this right, as a state, given its extraordinary centrality in terms of its partisan neutrality, being so purple as it were, and given its state constitution, it can really help save the country. It can be a keystone for the protection of the democracy.